Hello, welcome back to Closing Bell. Finally a Friday. It's been a crazy week, but it's a good close. The market's moving up higher. So the VIX is starting to slow down, but not convinced it's settled down yet. So we have to wait till next week to see a bit if the VIX will settle below 20 again and let everybody cruise control. But this is not about the VIX today. We're talking about Bitcoin hitting $1 trillion market. $55,000 per single coin today. You could literally put a house deposit with one Bitcoin today. No more a box of pizza. Incredible. So lots of people are just saying on Twitter, everybody's thinking that the shorts will be coming over the weekend. We have to watch, because all I can say is with Bitcoin going higher, it means institutions are putting money in, companies are putting money in. They're going to hedge, not hedge, but to protect their cash from fiat currency, from depreciation of the US dollar or the GBP or whatever they're holding. So the higher Bitcoin goes, it dilutes all the smaller shareholders like us, like retail and traders who like to swing. And the more institutional investors hold it, then the volatility of Bitcoin will decrease. That's fact. If you want to believe or not, it's up to you. It's entirely up to you. But as it goes higher, it will just dampen down as much as it can. Okay, so the next thing, second thing I want to speak, this is directed to and shared to all my UK investors. Very important here. So UK investors, the pounds is 1.4 against USD. All I want to say is a great time to buy US stocks with your GBP. Okay, why do I say that? I had a really bad experience of past few days. I sold Berkshire Hathaway. And Berkshire Hathaway, when I bought it, was at bottom COVID. That's this chart here. I should be making around about 40% profit. But then think about it. 40% profit, when I bought it, GBP was so low at that time. And now GBP is strengthened against the dollar. It was about 1.2 against 1.4. Then when I sold, I only made about 22% profit instead of 40% profit. It's all because of your currency exchange rate. So you're standing here with strong pounds. What do? You buy US stocks with your pounds. And when you buy from 1.4 to the average of 1.3, there's around about a 10% discount. So if you're buying Tesla today, think about it. With GBP, you're getting about 10% discount off. So if GBP is going up higher next week, think about it. Its frequency of your foreign exchange rate will make a difference to your investment, okay? But don't try to sell US stocks now, because if you sell and convert back to the pounds, you lose no matter how much you hold. So just stick to your US currency, let it roll, unless you're risk transferring. That's a different story. Okay, the next thing is I want to highly recommend everybody join my free Discord channel. Why? Like for example, Palantir dropped up to $25. I told everybody on my Discord, on my free membership Discord channel, guys, I think it's a good time to buy. I'll let people decide if they want to buy or not. I put a chart up there because it's far easier than sharing on YouTube. And a few people bought and benefited from Palantir. A few people averaged down as well, just to average down, and now Palantir shot up to 30. So this is the stuff I can share with charge easily on Discord. But if you guys want to join my Patreon, where I've got private Telegram where I blast out lots of information to help you benefit on your journey, feel free. I've opened group 2 now, lots of people joining up, and I think the space is limited. Okay. So again, I'm here to give you guys value on YouTube as well. I have 4 stocks which I think are still good value. 4 stocks which I'll put my money to buy. These are the 4 stocks I want to share that you can buy now, okay? Don't even tell me trigger price, it's now because the chart looks so good. Peloton earnings are good, it's still growing. The CAGR is incredible. Peloton is, I don't care what people tell me about Peloton. Peloton's business is incredible, okay? They potentially could shoot higher and higher, but as it stands, they've dropped due to shortage in their cycling equipment. They've got new software, new equipment that's been rolled out. It's starting to roll out in Europe and UK. Peloton is still a good stock to own. It's on the dip. If you want to swing it, fine. If you are a health fanatic or you want to top up, Peloton is good to buy at this point here. Check out this chart, okay? The next one, Unity. Unity charts has flawed as well. Great company. When it came IPO, it shot up way too high, too fast. But when I look at the charts again, it's just on the floor. Support floor is strong, the stochastic is low, RSI is low. It's just shouting oversold, oversold, oversold. So if you are a believer in 3D, augmented reality, then Unity, hypergrowth stock is for you in your portfolio. Buy now. The next one, if you prefer a bit smaller stock, 3D printing on chips, Nano Dimension is one of my hypergrowth stock and I own tons of it. And in fact, I bought 100 more before I started this video. So Nano Dimension, again, my buy trigger, I think was about 13.50. But then what's the difference between $13, $15, and $14? So I'm buying because I see Nano Dimension going beyond $20 by the end of the year. Okay, I'm not the type saying it's going to shoot up to the moon in 2 weeks time. No, I'm being realistic. Quarter on quarter on quarter, they need to scale. They need to start patenting the stuff, they need to scale, and they've got the team right for it. So there's still time to grow. So this is the time to grab Nano Dimension before it leaves the port. A lot of people don't believe me, thinking that I've copied ARK Invest. No, I discovered Nano Dimension quite a while ago. I bought Nano Dimension since it was $7. So it's 13, 14 bucks. I'm still buying. This might be my last batch I buy before the boat leaves. Nano Dimension, okay? And next, final one, very popular one, but it's not on everybody's radar. NEO. NEO is at about 55, 56. I'm surprised it's so low. I'm surprised it's dropped. I'm not even looking at NEO because I know that it'll be a $100 stock by the end of this year. You know, we've got Tesla, we've got CCIV, and we've got NEO. I mean, who else is in there for contender to be electric vehicles? A couple of other Chinese. But NEO has flawed it again. It's flawed, it's going lower, it's broken, it's flawed, it's going even lower. And I think, you know, people are just forgetting it just now. Once new news comes in, new cars, new news, and they become the flavor of the month again, they will come out. Because again, there are loads of new investors out there just holding the fort. People who are selling are just basically shorting or trading and swing trading to get a bit of profit while it's hot. Okay, this is me. Have a good weekend. I want to join my family as well and chill, relax on Netflix. Now you guys have a good day. Hopefully over the weekend I've got really good videos I want to show. I didn't want to surprise you guys, but do check out 2 videos I'm going to share over the weekend, which will be impactful. That's the name, impactful. Take care, have a good day, bye.